What's up, YouTube? Wanted to make a quick video on my tool bags, the one I use for HVAC. I wanted to show my setup because I always look up on YouTube trying to see what kind of HVAC tools you need, and they don't quite tell you a lot. And when I look at videos, I can't find them, so I was like thinking of I'll just make a video myself. Fucking like carry a sharper, carry a fucking speed square, duck knife, a tape measure, 25, magnetic head, DeWalt hammer, metal. It just seems to last a long time. Got a hook for my drill, but since my tape kept falling off and I didn't know where to put it, I decided to just put it right there on the hook. It doesn't fall off. And I really like using Malco a lot because they last a lot longer and they're really cool. Keeping my snippets, fucking torpedo level, keep in there. Like I said, I really like Malco. Got the crimpers, pretty nice. You definitely need some crimpers. Also got a Malco duck knife with some cutters built in. It's pretty nice. Came with a little pouch right here, so won't damage my leather pouches. Some wire cutters, also cut nails. Sharp. Just don't ever know when you need one. Got my bit right here, extendo. Got my Milwaukee. I really like Milwaukee too. Milwaukee scissors for the strap, and Milwaukee drill, Bluetooth, and I got a new package going on right here. Can you record me? Opening the package, see what I got. Yep, really needed one. It's pretty nice. It's costing me around $30 plus shipping. Since I got this whack ass hook, and it's like basically like coming apart already, but it was the only one that was able to reach this thick layer. I also got these straps, came from another tool bag that I had, but since I'm thinking of buying the leather straps, the strongholds, just because they're a lot lighter, but they're pretty pricey right now. So building my tool bag, well, got my tool bag for like $250. You know, they go for like $300 on the internet, and I'm pretty glad I got this. Looks pretty new. 5020 Occidental. See, the pliers could go in there. See, that is kind of stiff. There you go, look, right on there. I also want to show you guys how all my tool bags look on me before I end the video. Just to show you guys how they look. Pretty manly. They're adjustable. Pretty comfortable. Pretty light. I always just carry my duck knife down here, you know, but sometimes it's on that pouch. And I gotta put the crimpers here. Got the hammer. Then this is where, since the hook didn't really work out for me, it just kept dropping my drill. So I decided just to catch it on there real quick. You know, bam. This pocket, I like to carry little tiny screws And this pocket over here, well, they're little tiny screws, but I like how these. It's kind of nice, you know, nothing crazy. So I kind of recommend these bags though. They're pretty light and they're pretty organized. You know where to find stuff. Like I even have a lighter here, just because sometimes I can't even get it out, but just because sometimes I work with some welders and they need a lighter. Well, that's it, man. See ya.